Have you tried to shampoo your upholstered furniture? Those little food stains on the sofa or ottomans that turn into just impossible. Hi, I'm Bob Peterson and welcome to our video blog as we continue with helpful tips for spring cleaning inside and out. Today I want to introduce you to one of the best in the greater Memphis area. He's the owner and operator of Grayson Smith Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning. Walter is the tall guy cleaning the chairs, and his helper is cleaning the ottoman. Walter uses the best equipment and goes deep into the fabric without harming the upholstery. Hi gang, it's Bob Peterson here with Walter Pope, and I want Walter to talk to you about what makes him the best upholsterer cleaner in the whole city of Memphis. Walter, tell us a little bit about what you do and why it's important.
Well, I do clean upholstery. I clean carpets and rugs also. Probably the thing that sets us apart is that we don't send out technicians. I'm the owner, and you'll have me doing the job. So you've got the experience, got someone that wants to make sure the job's done right. I don't rush through anything. I make sure we go through all the process. If I see something before I get started, the client that I'm afraid I can't get out, I'll tell the client first, and if they change their mind, we'll shake hands and go on. I do this business to make money, but my focus is to do what's right for the client because it pays off in the long run. So.
Boy, that's just super, and I appreciate it. So give him a call. I'm going to tell you, it's the best of the best in Memphis. Thanks a million, guys. And if we can help you get in touch with Walter Pope or solve a different spring cleaning challenge, text us or give us a call at 619-6881. Thanks.